Hello everyone, my name is Amit Chaudhary. I am a senior support engineer at Event Solutions. Here I am going to show you how you are connecting Dynamics 365 FNO using the OAuth token. So to get it, I'll log into the SmartConnect. I'll go to the connections and I'll click on the create connections, and I can see the native connector as Dynamics 365 Finance and Operation. So to do that, I'll see that what is a URL, what is a client ID, what is a secret ID, and I can see this callback URL. Okay, and to get like that, so I need to first go to the portal.azure to get my client ID and secret IDs. So I'll go to the portal.azure and I'll choose it like it's connecting me, and I'll search for here like app registrations. Then I'll go to the app registration. To do it, I'll click on the new registration. I'll give the name like SmartConnect Finance and Operation. I'll choose my tenant, like the tenant and the supported account type. I'll go to the web and I'll put this redirect URL that I have it here at the bottom, and I'll click on the register. So once I'm registered, so then this is my client ID that I can note it because I need that one to put it in the connection. Then I'll go to straightforward. I'll go to the API permissions. I'll click on the add permissions and I'll choose it here, Dynamics ERP, delegated permissions. Then I'll choose like the AX, under that AX.full access, custom services. If having it like to consume the custom services, I'll choose this one. I'll choose the OData because that's the method we are using it. If you are using the MCP tool, then you can choose this one, but for now, let it be. So if it is telling you like, okay, if this option is the status is if you have admin, domain admin, it don't do it. Like if the company is asking you like you need to be grant the access, so make sure you will contact your Azure admin to get it like the grant access over here. Then I'll go to the secret, certificate and secret. I'll click on the secret. I'll give the name like say SmartConnect app. How long you need like that key to be valid? I'll choose like 24 months. So then I'll click on the add. So once you click on the add, then it will create a key for you, secret key. Then normally it will be like that. So you can copy your value from here and put it like in the secret key. The client ID, I have it here. I can copy my client ID, put it for the client ID. Description, I'll give the description like 365 FNO connection. And I'll give the site name, whatever the site you have it. So if my site name is, if I logged into this FNO, then I'll copy this URL, the whole URL, and then I put it for here, the site URL. I'll click on the validate. Once I click on the validate, it is asking me a prompt for the login. So make sure you will authorized, and it will ask you to get me like authorized, say accept. Then you go to the back to the screen. It will show you the list of your all the companies, the system company and the default company, which one you want, and it will show like, and then I'll click on the save. So once this is done, you are good to create a connections, and then you can proceed for your source and destination.